Today we're going to talk to you about getting the best out of your tomatoes and making sure you can pick them when they're really ripe, because there's nothing better than a vine-ripened tomato. But that's so hard to achieve. You grow your tomatoes and then the next day you come out and your tomato that's not even ripe looks like that. It's soul destroying after all the work that you've put in. So this year I've covered my tomatoes with these great little bags, crop protection bags, and I've put them on each bunch of tomato that's becoming ripe, and as each bunch ripens I take the bag off and I pop it on the next bunch that's coming ripe. Little net bags turns that into that. Little net bags come in all sorts of different sizes, so you can get small ones for smaller trusses, bigger ones for big trusses, and I've also used these on my grapes. It's the first year I've managed to get grapes. Usually I'd cover the entire crop with bird netting and have to fight my way in every summer and then fight my way out and fight my way in and fight my way out. This is so much more enjoyable. So it's just a matter of popping your bag over the bunch, squeezing the little strings like that. This is a big bag, you can use smaller bags, but sometimes the trusses are much longer and you have to leave room for your tomatoes to expand in size because they're going to get quite big. Like this one back here is very big, so you can't put a little bag on because your little tomato is going to turn out to a big tomato. When your tomatoes are ready and beautifully and ripe, it's just a matter of slipping off the bag, twisting off the tomatoes that are ripe, and then just leaving it on while the bottom one or the next few ripens. It's really simple, and you can enjoy a really ripe tomato as opposed to having to pick them when they're still a pale colour, and you get full flavour. It's terrific. I'm loving it. It lets all the light in and keeps your tomato perfectly safe from the birds. Really easy.